I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you were looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
we're all done. Liam Neeson's done. I didn't talk through this video, I just cracked on with it. Give you a little sort of talk through what I did. It's all sort of new to me in colour, so I'm just sort of trying to work it all out. Started off with like an orange, and then muted that down with a little drops of blue. Got sort of a skin tone, went in with that, done some textures. A little bit hard with the paint that I'm using. It's a little bit hard to erase on. You're really trying to dig in to try and erase, and then it sort of looks a bit too, you can't get the soft tone in between. But I went in with an orange, a couple of drops of blue, muted that down, and then backed off with a brush, put the first coat down, just started building them up. Went in with a sepia, went in with some mixture of a grey and a green. I was just mixing all random colours and just going with it. I wasn't like colour matching or anything. Just mixed it and done it to my sort of colour palette. But it's basically a caricature anyway. So that's what we looked at on the screen. We dropped the gun in, I put some smoke coming out the gun, and then just really lightly just sort of dusted in the Taken bit and then erased back off the blue, the Liam Neeson bit in the top. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.